What many of us don't realize is that the skin is the body's largest organ. This means that our skin easily absorbs pollutants and harmful contaminants from the diet, air, water, and environment around us, which quickly enter our bloodstream. This means that essentially whatever you put onto your skin ends up inside of your body. Did you know that chlorine in our tap water is a health hazard to both children and adults? Or that the risk of developing cancer is 93% higher in people who drink or are otherwise exposed to chlorinated water? Did you know that your body absorbs more toxic exposure from showering in tap water than you do from drinking it? Because during the course of only one 10-minute long shower, you absorb more chlorine than you would when drinking 8 glasses of tap water. Your skin absorbs hundreds of chemicals from your shower each and every single day. When we take hot or steamy showers in chlorinated tap water, we inhale and ingest chemical gases into our bodies and our lungs. Even research shows that we absorb up to 6 times more volatile chemicals through our lungs and skin while bathing than we do from drinking chlorinated water. Isn't that terrifying? Showering is the primary cause of elevated levels of chloroform in the average American home. Chloroform, which is formed in water when chlorine reacts with organic compounds, is a potent carcinogen that causes vitamin E deficiency, chronic kidney and liver failure, as well as other respiratory deficiencies. If the use of chloroform in medical procedures is no longer allowed since 2017, wouldn't it make sense to eliminate it from our municipal tap water as well? The harsh reality is that chlorinated bathing water is attributed to long-term hair loss, dandruff, dry scalp, and so much more. It can also be attributed to birth defects, dental damage, and increase in allergy symptoms. So what is our long-term solution? Enagic's Anespa shower filtration and remineralization machine ensures that our skin stays healthy, clean, and hydrated by filtering out all chlorine and adding back in the minerals that our skin and hair truly need. By using spa mineral stones, tufa, mic, and power stones within the Anespa machine to remineralize your water, you can expect each shower and bath to feel like a luxurious spa experience in your own home. Water filtered by the Anespa machine will leave your hair, skin, and body looking and feeling more hydrated than ever before, without the use of any toxic chlorine. We promise you, you will notice a difference when bathing in the Anespa water compared to your tap. Anespa machines are easy to install and connect to all common shower and bathtub faucets around the world. The Anespa comes with its own state-of-the-art 4-stage shower head system and allows you to switch back and forth the flow of water between the shower head and the main bath faucet. It doesn't make sense to be drinking the healthiest, most hydrating, and hydrogen-rich Kangen water, only to soak your skin with water that is filled with harmful chemicals. Invest in an Anespa shower machine and experience what true health and hydration looks like on your body, skin, and hair. We cannot wait for you to experience your first Anespa shower.